Hi guys, and welcome again to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new video for a really large triangle scarf. It's perfect for fall, great colors here. You have some like light greens, browns, pinks, purples, some like kind of golden colors. I used the ball of yarn here double, which is why I was able to use a really big crocheting hook. I used my number 10. This is the granny style, so always with the 3 double crochets around the chain stitches. It's really easy, it's really quick. How exactly I did this, and obviously what it looks like done, I'm gonna show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so this is the wool. It's really big, really big ball of yarn. It's called Creative Melange Wonder Ball, 200 grams and 640 meters. 51% virgin wool, 49% acrylic, and meant for size 5 crocheting hooks. And as you can see here, I used a much bigger crocheting hook. But the first thing I need to do for that is I'm gonna rewind this ball up. The color here is number 14. It's this variation here with the purples, pinks, some browns and golden colors, and like some oranges maybe. Really cool. Yeah, like I said, it's meant for size 5 crocheting hooks. But I want to use my bigger crocheting hook. I'm going to use my size 10. And for that, first I'm going to take off the label. And then I'm going to see how I can find the beginning here on the outside. There it is. And then I'm gonna see where the inside is. Let's see. I think it might be in this, but maybe it's in here. Aha, there it is. Okay, somewhere here we have the beginning. I'm gonna go search for it. And then we will wind up this ball of yarn again. From the beginning. And as you can see here, we have, just like these different parts. This is very thin. I would maybe use a size 2 or 3 crocheting hooks, and then there's other parts that are a little thicker. But yeah, I'm gonna go find the beginning. Okay, this was actually easier than I thought. I found the beginning and the end, or the 2 beginnings basically. Depending on how you want to see it. I'm gonna tie them together here, really simple. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna wind this up, again, kind of here on my fingers. I'm always careful here to not make it too tight. And I'm gonna actually put this on the floor, so yeah, it's gonna take a while until I'm done with the whole ball of yarn. I put my fingers in here so it's not like too tight, because I'm gonna try to crochet this from the inside. So this is why it's really important that it's not like too tight. I'm gonna give you an update when I'm done. Okay guys, so here we are with our extra large ball of yarn rewound. And okay, I already pulled out some wool here. And I'm gonna start here with my size 10 crocheting hook, so double the size that was recommended. But I also have the wool double, so that should work well. Let's start here. I'm actually gonna start with the magic ring and not with the chain stitches, so let's try this again. I'm gonna put the thread here into my fingers, pull the thread through, and then instead of pulling this tight, this loop, we will leave it open. And then we start here with 4 chain stitches. 4. Then 3 double crochets into the ring. So 3 double crochets into the ring. I'm gonna take some more wool here. And here comes number 3. Then 3 chain stitches. And then again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This is really nice with the size, and I think the size crocheting hook is perfect for this. Another chain stitch, and then 1 double crochet. Then we will pull the magic ring closed all the way. And here we have our first row. As you can see, it's already nice and big. And we will continue here with some wool. Okay. We start here with 4 chain stitches again. 4. That's how every row is going to start. Then we turn it around. And here around the chain stitch that we have here, the very last one, we add 3 double crochets. Okay. Then a chain stitch, and then here into this peak basically, we go in, and again we do 3 double crochets. In between the 2 packs I put a chain stitch, and that's here for the tip. We're going to do 3 chain stitches. Into the peak there's always 3, and then here right after the peak we will do again 3 double crochets, so another pack. And so we're going down now again. Take some more wool. And so after these 3 double crochets, we take another chain stitch, and then here we go into the last chain stitch, or yes, it was 4 chain stitches, so we go around this this little chain, and then again do another pack of 3 double crochets. And at the very end, chain stitch, and then a single double crochet, a regular double crochet. So what did we do? In the second row, we started with 4 chain stitches, then we did a pack here of 3 double crochets around this chain stitch, then a chain stitch, and another pack. So here we do 2 packs, and then we do the chain stitches in between. And then here we go backwards, back down. So this is the second pack of the peak, then again a chain stitch, a pack, a chain stitch, and a regular double crochet. Okay, so if you see this, kind of just the half of it, it's obviously symmetrical. The 4 chain stitches at the very beginning is the same as the chain stitch and double crochet. I'm going to show you the row number 3 here also. So we start with 4 chain stitches, then we turn it around and start again with a pack of 3 double crochets. Always make sure, obviously, that you get both threads. I kind of slipped here for a second. So 3 double crochets, then a chain stitch, and then here into the next one, again another one of these packs, so again 3 double crochets, a chain stitch, and then we go into the peak here and we do 2 of the packs, so 3 double crochets, then the chain stitches in between, and then again 3 double crochets. Okay, then here that we are done with the first pack, 3 chain stitches for the peak, and then into the same area basically we again do another pack. One, 2, 3. I have to be careful here. Okay, so 3 double crochets here again, and then a chain stitch. Here goes another pack. This is the second And this is the third double crochet of this pack, then chain stitch. And here around the last ones, 3 double crochets. And after the 3 double crochets, we will make the other, place where you go into for the next row. So we do a chain stitch and a 4th double crochet, or a single, double crochet. Okay, and so here we are with row number 3. We're done with that. And you can see how nice and big this is already. Because I'm doing, the double thread. It's really nice and quick. And we're gaining a lot of, size really quickly. I'm going to continue doing this for a while and I'll give you an update. Okay guys, so here we are now, and it's really, really big now actually. I just showed you the whole size of it basically. Here we are at one of the peaks. I just did the last chain stitch, and here's the very end of it, which is the last double crochet. And then I'm done with the crocheting. I have a little bit left here, but unfortunately it's not enough for another row. The longest side here is about 1.60 meters or 1.70 meters, so it's really, really nice and big, really cozy, really comfy. Here, this is basically the main part. Just, a lot of volume basically. Really nice colors. I really like the color fade. And just, a great colors here for fall. Thank you guys for watching DIY ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about new videos. Please share this video with your friends and see you next time.